it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts, independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I thank you very much for joining me again today. This is another in my kind of mini series, I guess, using free items from sale-a-bration. So this is using, again, the tutti-frutti card pack, which was in the first release. This is free with a £45 order, or any, you get one per 45. I really must plug my brain in. So for every £45 you place, you get to choose an additional free item. So this is what the card pack looks like when it arrives. 16 cards and envelopes, and it's matching, the envelopes match the cards. I'm also using the Eclectic Expression stamp set, which was from the second release. This is a red rubber set. You've seen me make a number of cards using this. I think it's a lovely set. I love background stamps, texture, that sort of thing. So for me, this is perfect. And you've got two really great sentiments. Happy birthday and thank you. So this card is probably the easiest of the ones that I brought to you in this, as I say, mini series. So all we need is one of the lemon lime twist card blanks. These are cut to the American size paper. Sorry, I've just looked out of the window and we've got snow, which wasn't forecast for today. We knew we were going to get incredibly cold weather, but snow was supposed to be later in the week. Never mind, eh? Anyway, so lemon lime twist cut. It's half of 8.5 by 11. So for international metric, it's a little. If we go into A4 normal portrait mode, it's a little wider and a little shorter. I'm using, again, if you've seen others from this little mini series, the card blanks or the card mats that I use for note cards and envelopes. I'm not putting an extra mat in this time. I'm just going to let it ride on its own. So, bringing in a scrap which I've been using. All I need is lemon lime twist and tranquil tide ink, and I've mounted up the little stripes, and I'm going to, let's move it that way, let's be logical. So all I need to do, which I'm going to pop that there, is, can you see? Yes, just about. So all I need to do is stamp all the way up. Oops, a bit wide, but never mind. We'll go for a slightly wider gap than on the original, but that's fine. It will be quicker. And this isn't the most stimulating stamping in the world, but it's very easy. And you know what? Easy cards are fine. We don't have to make amazingly complicated cards every single time. I have found that some of the simplest cards I have made have had the biggest reception, and people have gone, wow, that's amazing, are you sure you made it, kind of thing. Whereas if it's too complicated, I think people assume I probably didn't. So yeah, so that's that. Then Tranquil Tide and Thank You. Ooh. And I'm just using a strip of Whisper White that is from when I cut my card blanks, or my mats. So it's just a scrap that's half an inch, maybe just over. So about 1.5 centimetres, I guess. And hopefully that is reasonably straight, or not. Okay, fortunately I've got lots of this. So let's try that again. And for a third time. Maybe I need a slightly wider piece of card. Nope, perfect. Right, hurrah. Okay, let's get rid of that before I have even more disasters. So all I'm going to do with this is cut it straight up. You could use your trimmer, but snips are fine. So get rid of those bits. Now I need a bit of dimensional edge. It's perfect for this. Just like that. So we'll pop that on the back. And then I'm using the Basic Packs 2 washi tape, which is the greens and yellows. And I'm using this one, which is Tranquil Tide. And that's going to cover up this join here. So, it's a bit psychedelic, this, isn't it? Particularly as I haven't stamped everything completely straight. But it's fine. I'll tuck those in. Then a bit of snail. And no sooner did I say it was starting to snow and it stopped. So that's fine. Then pop this on my card blank. And I've deliberately not lined up with lines because I don't like things lined up. Which is just as well as those stripes are not lined up at all. And then just pop this, whoops, over our washi tape. And it's as simple as that. And just for a little thank you note for someone maybe doing something above and beyond, I think that's perfectly acceptable little thank you card. And uses the free stamp set and the free card blanks that are available just through to the end of this month. Sale-a-bration finishes on the 31st of March. So remember, there are 3 things to think about during Sale-a-bration. Shop. You get free items for every £45 you spend before shipping. So go in multiples of 45. If you go to £90, you then get to choose some of the level 2 items. So, you know, really nice, some really nice things there. So that's the shop. That you want to then think about if you're shopping at my online store, which I hope you will if you're in the UK. Use the hostess code because then you get to share in the host rewards. And during Sale-a-bration, if we hit £200 on our workshop order from the hostess code, which we have been, we get more free stuff because there's an extra £20 put into the Stampin' Rewards pot. So brilliant. Alternatively, if you want to get your host rewards on your own, then just that's fine. If you're spending over £150, you will get your own host rewards. You could club together with some friends and put in one very big order. And obviously, if you hit the £200 mark, you get more free items. Otherwise, if you're reasonably local to me or on Facebook, we can do a virtual party or an in-person actual party. Just drop me an email. My email details are over on my blog, which is linked below. Or contact me through my Facebook business page, which is also linked. There's a multi-link. As well as my blog post link, there's a multi-link, which has got my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, all those good things, and a link to my online store. But contact me through any of those and we can talk about doing a party between now and the end of March, be that in person or virtual. And then, of course, there's the joining offer. So the usual offer is £130 of products that you choose. You only pay £99 and that includes delivery and some catalogues and things. So if you do want to turn this into a way of earning a little bit of extra money, helping to pay for your stamping supplies, then there's a starter kit of business supplies as well. But you don't have to do that. You can just have the discount. But in addition to the usual £130, you also get to choose 2 free, as in from the annual or spring summer catalogue, 2 stamp sets from those catalogues free. So that could bring your total up to another £90. So over £200 worth of items in your starter kit for just £99 delivered. And then if you wish to continue as a demonstrator, you get 20% starting discount and if you keep your minimums up, you then can increase that discount. It can go to 25% and beyond. And some people do make really successful businesses out of it. I'm running this as a business, and it certainly adds to the family coffers. So don't forget that there are those 3 offers. It's not just about shopping. Shop, join or host during sale-a-bration and you get extras, which is brilliant. If you've got any questions or queries, either leave a comment below or contact me through any of the contact details on my blog or on the social media link below in the description bar below. I look forward to welcoming you to either my customer base or my team very soon. If you don't already subscribe to this YouTube channel, please do. There's a little button down in the corner. If you don't already subscribe to my mailing list, there's a form at the very bottom of my blog, which you can only actually see if you're not on a mobile platform. So on a phone, it's a bit, you can't really see it. But if you're on a proper, PC or whatever, you can see there's a form to join my mailing list. And if you're in the UK and you join before the end of March, then I will enter you into a draw for a little craft kit. I'm going to put together a kit of all sorts of, card blanks, designer series paper, all sorts of bits and pieces. Haven't finalised it completely yet, but there will be a nice little kit which I will draw at the beginning of April. What else can I say? I think that's about it for the moment. Thank you very much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.